Hey, it's Mr. Allred. I'm going to work through the solution for formula practice problem 1. The formula was V equals the fraction pi r squared h over 3, and we're going to solve for h. So the first thing I want to point out is we're trying to get h by itself, so we treat everything else just like it's a number. Okay? So the first thing we notice here is that there is a fraction, and that fraction is just 3, so the least common multiple is 3. And if I multiply both sides by 3, I will get something that looks like 3 times v equals 3 times the fraction of pi r squared h over 3, where the 3's cancel out on the right hand side. And I've simply got 3v equals pi r squared h. And let me reinforce that h is the variable, and there's nothing added or subtracted to it or dividing it, and there's no parentheses. So the next thing you have to do is just the last step, which is divide by the coefficient. So remember, when you're working with formulas, coefficients may be variables. So pi r squared, and we got to divide both sides by this, and it cancels out on the right hand side. So in the end, on the left hand side, we have 3v over pi r squared, and that'll be equal to h, and that will be our solution.